So hello fine. So today guys we are going to create an intro something like this. Let's check the preview. After that we will work on it. So guys, as you can see it already, so let's open the PixelLabe. Select the size, 16 thumbnail size. Yeah, banner size it's equal, and then text. Click on text. Type it your name of channel. Type it your name of channel or what you want to write. As I'm writing here, Avengers. Wow. Okay. Make it in capital letters. After that, large it, make it large in size and use relative positions. Okay, and select the font. I'm selecting this one. It will be look like good. And pending, it's not good. Wait. Okay, it's done. Use relative positions. Okay, and then use again transparent. Save it the image. To choose ultra. PNG is already selected. Okay, so after that you may open kineMaster. The description below the kineMaster link is available. Okay guys, so here we came into kineMaster. Select the size. Okay. After that take a black background image. Okay, like this, and then select the image which you have added in PixelLabe and make it large in size as I did already, right? And then select the clip of fire which I have added in description below. The link is available in description. This one, make it large also in size. Okay, and then click on the fire clip. Use a blending option. Select multiply. It's looking like this. You can see now. Okay, when it's done, so explore this file. Okay, little bit it's coming. After exploring this file, go back and select again the 16:9 size, and I will give you one intro, and the link is available in description below. You may select this. Okay, and go to duration on 5 seconds. Wait, yeah, 5 seconds, and some 4 to 7, something like this. Okay, and then click on layer, click on media, and then select that last time you have explored the file, this one. Okay, and then you may click on this fire clip which you have explored, and use a blending option, features for the option same, and then select screen. It's looking like this. Okay guys, and then adjust the size. Okay, and make it small. Wait, I literally check it how it is looking. Wait guys, it's literally trim it from left side. See, I'm trimmed to left side. Okay, and literally see now. It's looking good. And now use key option. Make it literally small. Use key option and go to the int. Click on plus icon as I did, and make it suddenly directly large like this. Sorry, like this. Yes, it's done. Okay, and now let's see how it's looking. So guys, almost your intro is created. So add the animation, in animation, fade animation, it's and out animation also fade. So it will be like this. Let's see again. Check the preview. Mm. So guys, your intro is almostly completely done, not almostly, sorry, and kindly subscribe to my channel, and sorry if I have spoken wrong because I'm not strong to speak as well.